Diphthong OA, OE and OI. A. Fill in the blanks with OA, OE or OI. Shoes, soil, road, coat, load, coal. B. Write the rhyming words. Do, go, no, goat, boat, float, coil, soil, foil.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.